Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to keep WhatsApp running on your computer, even after you close the app, thanks to the latest update. If your messages keep stopping when you exit WhatsApp, or if you miss notifications after closing it, this quick tutorial will fix that once and for all. Let's get straight into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're running the latest version so you'll have the updated features ready to go. Once WhatsApp is open, look over at the left side of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon in the bottom left menu. That's the settings icon. Click on it to open up your settings. From there, you'll see several options, but what we want is under General. Go ahead and click on General to access your main application preferences. Here's the important part. Find the option called Minimize to System Tray. This is the setting that controls whether WhatsApp keeps running quietly in the background or stops when you close the window. By default, it's usually turned on. That means when you close WhatsApp, it doesn't fully exit. It just hides in the system tray next to your clock. But if you want WhatsApp to actually stay open and active, even when you close the main window, you'll need to disable this option. So click to turn off Minimize to System Tray. Once it's disabled, WhatsApp will continue running normally, and you won't lose connection or miss any messages just because the window is closed. That's it. You've successfully updated your settings. From now on, WhatsApp will stay active, keeping your chats, calls, and notifications working in real time without you having to keep the window open. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips like this one. Keeping your apps running smoothly doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's just one simple setting away.